Come on, put 'em together tonight.
Unit of the society is the family. Kaya yung mission natin is to bring every family back to God through Jesus Christ.
I can see clearly now. Oh, everybody dance now. Oh, everybody give it up for Jesus. Give him glory for he has redeemed us.
Nasaksihan ko kung paano dahan-dahan na lumago yung church building na ito. At sa tulong ng Panginoon mula sa kawayan, kawayan yung dingding, kawayan yung poste, sa tulong ng Panginoon, dahan-dahan ko na naitayo, nakabili ng hollow block, napalitadahan, kabili ng mga materialis. At ito na po siya ngayon.
It's only burning brighter. This passion inside of me. Oh, everybody dance now. Oh, everybody give it up for Jesus. Everybody give it up for Jesus. Praise his
Kaya nga mga kapatid, nung ako'y nakarating dito, talagang may naramdaman ako sa aking kalooban. Napakiramdam ko nagsasalita ang Panginoon na magandang magtayo rito ng gawain. So, hindi ko inakalam na ang church na nasa harapan nyo ngayon na nakikita ay ganito rin yung hitsura. Hitsurang church talaga.